How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed on iPhone or not loading pictures. So if Instagram couldn't refresh the feed on your iPhone, or if it's not loading the pictures on the Instagram app, there are a couple of things that you can actually try. Now, first off, what you want to do is make sure it's not the issue with the internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Then once you've done that, that should most likely help you solve the problem. But if it's still not working, go to your app store and simply search for Instagram and check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. If it's still not helping you solve the problem, go to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage and select your Instagram app, tap on Offload app and then reinstall the app again, and hopefully that would help you solve it. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.